Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1972 Suburban 3-door. Got the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are we doing today?
The car came out of Mississippi
Mm-hmm.
about 6-7 years ago. The paint was done. It's been wet sanded and polished.
What's the paint called? Do you know?
Windows have been tinted.
What's the paint color? Do you know?
It's a Ford. I'm sorry, Chevy stock fleet color.
Fleet color.
It's a Bahama type blue.
Cool.
It's urethane. It has Bellflower pipes on it. It has 22-inch GM transit wheels.
Yeah, it looks
brand
cool.
new Toyo tires. Bellflower pipes. It's set up to tow. It does tow. Has a brand new 343 ring and pinion from Zoom.
Mm-hmm.
And axle bearings. Front end's been rebuilt. The motor has under 21 miles on it. Brand new from Chevrolet. 3-year warranty. 350, 330 horse motor. Transmission is a 700R4 with a manual lockup if you want to tow. The interior is done. Seats have been re-sprung. Everything works correctly. Has a spare, a jack, and there were no issues with it.
Very cool. Good looking truck, man.
I've had about 7 or 8 of these.
Oh yeah? Brand new motor. Fitted with vintage air, power steering, power brakes, electronic ignition, high-rise manifold, monster.
High performance compressor.
It's a high performance compressor, so she blows pretty cold, huh?
I'm sorry?
Blows pretty cold, huh?
It blows very cold.
Monster aluminum radiator. What's that, 4-core?
Yeah, I use the clutch fan on this one.
Okay. Nice big booster too. It's great for towing. Headers leading to dual exhaust out the quarters. What is that called again?
Yeah, Bellflower pipes.
Bellflower pipes.
All hoses are new. Everything's brand new on it.
Can you fire it up? It's cold here today, guys. It's like 30, 32 degrees. Got the receipt and everything for this motor. 30 miles on it.
Under 21 miles.
Nice big lofty bench up front. Vinyl. SS wheel. Showing 82,190 miles. Sun Pro Tack. Got added gauges down here. Volts, oil pressure, water. JVC Stereo with Bluetooth. Looks like it's got a deluxe interior with deluxe door panels. Beautiful headliner. Seatbelts all the way around with their shoulder belts. Pretty cool. You have the arm for this seat as well. Also got Dynomat under the carpet in here. He uses it. It's not perfect, but mechanically you can drive this thing anywhere. You drives it to Florida. Gate's really, really nice back here. Typical rust problems aren't here. All up in here. It's pretty good. Nice truck. Nice truck, Mr. Tully. Love it.
Been driven to Florida 5 times and back. Put a car down once with it.
Okay.
Columbus 3 times. Then I did the motor.
Very cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks again for showing us your truck, Mr. Tully. It's awesome.